There has been a lot of news lately about security flaws in AI coding tools. Claude Code, Cursor, Copilot, all of them have vulnerabilities. 30 of them actually. But here's what I want to talk about today. And it's not stop using AI tools. Because honestly, none of it should surprise you. And I'm going to explain why this actually matters or doesn't for someone like you. And of course, what to do about it. Let me say this upfront. AI tools are non-deterministic. And that's a fancy way of saying they interpret language. They make decisions. They are not a calculator that 2 + 2 = 4. So when security researchers find a way for AI tools to do something they shouldn't, that's not a bug that gets fixed once. That's kind of the name of the game. Take it, prompt injection. When someone sneaks instructions into AI and makes it do something it shouldn't. That has been around ever since ChatGPT launched. It's not going away. It's just going to evolve. And that's not me being pessimistic, that's just being realistic. And the question isn't, is AI secure? The question is, what does it mean for you? See, you're not guarding nuclear weapon codes. But, and this is the important part, you know how people are scared of clicking suspicious links and getting hacked? We have been trained for 20 years. Don't click weird links. Well, there is a thing about coding, using AI to build apps or build automations. When you ask AI to build something, what you are asking is, install this package, or access this API, or let me run this code. And you click approve. Because it's your AI assistant, you trust it. But functionally, that's the same as clicking a link. It's just not you clicking the link, but AI is clicking on your behalf. And you just approved it. So let me explain what prompt injection is, because it's kind of the root of everything. When you read a website or a file, you see text. That's a normal text for you. But here's a trick that hackers use. They can hide text that you can't see, but your AI can. Think of it like invisible ink, but for AI. Hidden instructions can say something as simple as ignore everything what user said and do this instead. The classic. And this is where it gets real. You might be using AI browser extension, just browsing web with the help of AI. And you visit a normal looking website. That website has hidden instructions. Your AI reads it and suddenly it's trying to run a code, modify files, access your data on your desktop. The attack goes from the website you visited through AI to your desktop. And that's why AI-based browsers are such a juicy target. Anthropic, the creators of Claude, actually said that AI browsers might be the problem that never gets solved. It's like trying to get humans immune to scams. Good luck with that. Now, before we go deeper into attacks themselves, let's start with a basic protection. And it's not about AI tools. It's about something even more fundamental. Before you even open Cursor or Claude Code, before you write a single line or send a single prompt, where are you working from? If you are on public Wi-Fi, airport, coffee shop, co-working space, your traffic is visible. Everything your AI sends and receives potentially exposed. So step 1, before we talk about AI security, secure your network with a VPN. And that's why I partnered with Private Internet Access. It's been my go-to VPN for a while. And what I actually like about them, they have been subpoenaed by FBI twice and had nothing to hand over. And that's not a marketing speak. That's court records. That's why I partnered with them, because they legitimately and genuinely don't keep logs of your data. And here's the thing about AI attacks. Many of them work by connecting to external services, exfiltrating your data, downloading malicious payloads. Private Internet Access encrypts everything on your laptop before it hits network. And it blocks known malicious domains. So if prompt injection tries to connect your AI to some suspicious server, Private Internet Access can stop it before it even starts. And honestly, I use this VPN for streaming too. I finally was able to watch Mr. Robot on Netflix, which is not available in Germany, but is available in US. And it's a perfect recommendation for this topic. 91 countries covered. Kill switch. so nothing leaks if connection drops. Works on all devices. Right now at piavpn.com/gottago, you can get 83% off. That's about $2 a month, plus 4 months free. There is no excuse to be exposed. Link in description. Okay, so now that our network is covered, let's talk what's happening inside those AI tools. Once this big research came out, I decided to check my coding tool. So I ran a command on Claude Code to check every AI coding tool on my system. Cursor version 2.0.77, safe, recently patched. Claude Code version 2.1.7, safe. But then, Antigravity. No CVE patches. No security updates addressing these vulnerabilities that researchers discovered. I had a tool on my computer that could literally be now exploited. And I'm pretty sure I'm not the only one. Let me break down the 3 main ways these attacks work so that you can actually understand what you're protecting against. Category 1, prompt injection. We already covered. Hidden instructions in files, web pages, even emails. AI reads them, you don't see them, bad things happen. Category 2, supply chain attacks. This is when your AI suggests installing packages, but the package name has a typo. Instead of request, you install request. Sounds familiar, looks familiar, but is different. That's a fake package with malware. AI assistants pull from huge data sets and may not always catch it. Category 3, configuration poisoning. This one is sneaky. You probably heard that MCP servers are not exactly safe, or this viral meme that S in MCP stands for security. So this attack, specifically called, is MCPoison attack. You see the play. You approve a safe-looking configuration file, everything seems fine. But then the attacker modifies the file after you approved it. Next time your AI runs, it executes malicious version. You never approved the dangerous version, but it runs anyway. And these aren't hypothetical. All of these has CV numbers. These are documented, proven attacks. Alright, so let's get to practical stuff. What can you actually do without becoming a security expert? First, right now, check your versions. I'm going to include exact prompt in the description box below. Run it with Claude Code or your AI assistant of choice. Check if Cursor is above 1.3.9 version. Check if Claude is above 1.093 version. If you are below this, update immediately. Second, read before you approve. When your AI asks to read something, approve something, install something, read it. Don't just click yes, it takes 5 seconds. The more you actually read what AI tries to do when you are giving it a task, the more you learn. Third, don't paste sensitive stuff into AI tools. API keys, passwords, personal data, financial information. You wouldn't post those things on social media. Don't give it to AI. 4, and this is a pro tip, you can use your rule folder. AI coding tools have rule folders, and this is a place where you can give your AI custom instructions on how to code. But here is a clever part. You can reverse engineer the findings of researchers and these attacks and put them in your rules folder. For example, I have a rule that says, before installing any package, verify the exact name matches the official package. Check download count, check publisher, flag any package less than 30 days old. Another one, never execute commands that modify .files like .bashrc or shell configs without explicit permission and showing the full command first. You're basically training your AI to be paranoid for you. So in case you click approve without reading it, your AI reads for you. Now here's the irony, of course, your rules folder can be hacked as well. That's what rule file backdoor attack was about. Attackers are putting hidden Junie code in rule files. So keep your rules clean, review them, don't download random rule prompts from the internet. I normally would give you my rule files, but that would be kind of hypocritical to what I just said. So just basically, My advice, take that research that I'm going to link in the description below and give you a task for your AI to reverse engineer it into rule folder with proper rules and file system. Look, I'm not here to scare you away from AI tools. They are incredible, they are useful if you know how to use them. They are tools, so use them as tools. But I think we are in this weird momentum where people are either blindly trusting AI, it's fine, it's chatbot, what can go wrong? Or people are terrified of AI. It's going to steal everything, I can't use it. Both of these are wrong. The reality is, as I said, AI tools are tools. They have risks. You don't stop driving because cars might crash. You wear a seatbelt. You learn the rules of the road and you stay safe. Exactly the same thing is here. Anything that I mentioned is going to be in the description box below. Stay safe, stay aware, but mostly keep learning and keep building. I see you in the next one.